Hi, my name is Yuri. I'm Chief Commercial Officer at CAP. Today I'm going to show you how to install credit card reader and Age Verifier to the vending machine. So here we have vending machine, NIAX, credit card reader, MM6 antenna for it, Age Verifier, MDB boards, cables, and all we need to assemble it are bolts, nuts, screwdriver, and a drill. Let's start with the credit card reader. So let's take the credit card reader and open the vending machine. Here we have special place for the installing the NIAX or credit card reader, other manufacturer, as an e-port, cantaloupe, spray range, and etc. Let's prepare the screwdriver, nuts, and set the credit card reader on this place that fits to the frame. Then for nuts. Once the credit card reader is installed, let's take the antenna, install it on the top of the vending or other suitable place, and connect it just here. And once the two parts are done, let's check does the vending machine works with the credit card reader and everything works together before we will install the Age Verifier. So here we have the MDB plugs, the 6-pin MDB plugs. There's another plug from the vending machine control board. We connect it. Then we turn on the vending machine. Be careful with the cable on the top. We have a special place for it. Once credit card reader, antenna, and vending machine are connected all together, let's check how does it work. So I turn on the vending machine, power goes to the credit card reader. So we need to close the vending machine, check do we have the errors or not. Nothing more. So let's wait for the credit card reader. We already configured it to the MDB level 3 and we turned on the always idle feature. So it should work already from the beginning. Once it will turn on, we will make a selection, authorize the test payment card, and see does it went or not. If it went, I believe we can continue with the installing Age Verifier to the vending machine, because vending machine and credit card reader is ready. I believe credit card reader is ready. Let's make a selection. Then let's take a test payment card. Authorize the card. I believe vending should win. It was a successful purchase, so I believe everything works. We have tested the credit card reader and vending machine, and it's time to go further and install Age Verification device. To install Age Verifier, you will need bolts, nuts, screwdriver and a drill, 2 MDB boards, and might be extensions, I mean MDB cable extensions. So let's start with the holes. Here we have 5 holes on Age Verifier, 4 for mounting, 1 for cables. Once we mark the holes and drill them, we are ready to mount the device with bolts and nuts. Let's start it. Match the holes and insert the bolts. And let's secure it. Have a look as everything is mounted. 4 bolts and 1 big hole for the cables. Once the device is mounted, you may adjust the length of cables as you need. So, now we need to take our 2 board and extension cable just in case. Let's prepare the cables there. Here we have vending board and cashless board. So the vending board connects to the vending machine controller board. We need to unplug it. Can I connect here? As was your credit card reader before. Then we connect that 2 cables. One to the cashless board, second one to the vending board. And we put it together inside the vending machine. As you may see, we have a credit card reader here, and it plugs to the cashless board. So you may notice as vending machine connected to the vending board and credit card reader is connected to the cashless board. Let's turn on everything and check how does it work. You need to plug the cable as well. Once it turned on, we may turn the age verification device. Once credit card reader was enabled, age verification device turned on as well.